What we call innate immunity very often, and I'm very often talking about innate antibodies, in contrast to the naturally acquired antibodies. The innate antibodies, these are pre-existing antibodies, antibodies that are already, so to say, pre-primed, that you have at birth already, not as a result of antigen experience, right? So a newborn all of a sudden gets confronted with a number of pathogens. You know, the newborn cannot have all these antibodies because it has never seen these pathogens. So this is providing them with a good start. The innate antibodies were found in every vertebrate species, also to tell you how important they are from an evolutionary viewpoint, that you find them in all vertebrate species. So this is something that we have been completely neglecting, and these are basically the antibodies that protect all these young children and people in good health from a disease that is therefore not a childhood disease, right? SARS-CoV-2. So the cells that generate those innate antibodies, we call them B1 cells. It is a particular type of B cells, which is different from the B cells that generate the naturally acquired antibodies. The naturally acquired antibodies are antigen specific, first of all. They do have a high affinity for that particular antigen, and they are long-lived. And they are typically acquired when we talk, for example, about SARS and other infectious diseases. They are typically acquired once you have gotten the disease and you recovered from the disease. And they have high longevity. So even if they disappear, they generate immunological memory. And because they generate immunological memory, they can be recalled very, very rapidly. So that is also some misunderstanding. Many people are worried because their antibodies have disappeared in their blood. They should know that as soon as their body sees the antigen again or is re-exposed to the virus, that within no time, because there are memory cells, these memory cells will again start to produce these naturally acquired antibodies that then will protect them.